What's up, my people? Welcome back to another video. Gotta get things going for you guys. I know it's been a little minute, but I want to get back on here and I want to do this. Start doing pre-poos now, but I want to do it do natural ones. So I was watching a few YouTube videos about aloe vera, doing aloe vera as a pre-poo, and so I just wanted to try it myself. I followed the recipe from Naturally 85 from like years ago, and I saw the aloe vera recipe. So I'm going to make that and show you guys how I make it and also how I apply it to my hair prior to wash day. So yeah. But anyways, so we're gonna get into this video.
So first things first, you need a cutting board, a knife, a food processor or a blender, aloe vera juice, and an aloe leaf, the star of the show. Now you want to wash your aloe vera leaf. And then here's the aloe leaf, all nice and clean. And now we're getting ready to cut it. We're gonna cut that end piece off. And then I'm gonna cut 3 slices of aloe. And now I'm gonna use this plastic wrap to save my aloe for next time. And now I'm about to cut the spikes off of each side. And then I am gonna slice it down the middle. And then slice the fillet out to put into the processor. And be careful when you're slicing the fillet out. The aloe gets very slimy and everything, so be careful. And now I'm going to put the lid on it and I'm going to pulse it a few times to poke holes in the aloe. And doing this helps release the gel from the aloe leaf, all the nutrients and everything you need for your pre-poo. And now I'm going to use the measuring cup and a strainer. And I'm going to pour the liquid into the strainer and use a spoon to just move it through to get the gel out. Because we don't want those chunks in our hair because they do tick. From what I've heard, it takes a long time to get out of your hair when you're doing it. And we we do not want those chunks in our hair. So this is the liquid all strained, and then now I have an applicator bottle. I got it from Sally's. They're like $2 per bottle. So I'm just gonna pour our mixture into the bottle. Now it's ready to go. So now it's wash day, and it's been a week. So my hair's been in this puff for about 2 days. So it's time to get this washed and moisturized and everything you need. It's some TLC, you know. So now I'm just separating my hair carefully into 4 sections so we can get this pre-poo started. And now I'm going to use the spray bottle full of warm water to loosen up the gel and the cast that I have in my hair. And also opening the shaft, the hair strands, so when I put in the aloe, my hair will soak it all in. So this is just me pre-detangling and pressing the product in my hair. Now we have the Aloe Vera gel that I'm about to put in my hair. And I put this on my hair and then also in my scalp. And I do this for each section of my hair and massage it from 2 to 3 minutes. This whole process took me about 30 minutes for my whole entire head. And now I'm about to use some oil. And this oil blend is just olive oil with jojoba oil. And to seal in that moisture that I have put in my hair. And just massaging that in my scalp. And so after putting the oil in my hair, I take a wide tooth comb and comb through it. And now I just twist it up and then start on the next section. And the benefits of using aloe vera pre-poo can be very beneficial in a variety of ways, such as anti-inflammatory actions that may help reduce scalp irritation, enzymes and fatty acids content that may help reduce inflammation. It contains vitamin C, E, B12, folic acid, and choline content that may help nourish and strengthen your hair. Aloe vera is suited best for oily hair, brittle, dry, damaged hair, natural hair, curly hair, And aloe vera is great as a conditioner, leaves the hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth and it prevents itching on the scalp and reduces dandruff. So me personally, I felt using this Pre-Poo, it was so much easier to detangle my hair. So I am planning to keep doing this every week so my hair can lavish and grow longer. And then look at them curls. Like, my hair just attracted all that moisture and my curls are so defined. Now that I'm done twisting my hair, I am going to put on 2 shower caps and my bonnet, and then I'm going to just let this sit overnight and let the heat from my head penetrate my hair strand so it gets a deeper condition. And then I'll rinse it out in the morning and get some rest.
So this is my result of my Pre-Poo treatment for the aloe vera gel, and I really like how my curls came out. And I haven't washed my hair yet, so yeah. But as again, I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day.